Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to make money using WordPress. WordPress is a popular platform for creating websites and blog, and there are many ways to make money with it. Here are some ways to make money using WordPress. The first way is to create and sell WordPress themes. WordPress allows you to create custom themes for your website. If you have design skill, you can create your own custom WordPress theme and sell them on the marketplace such as Theme Forest. You can earn a commission on every sale made through the marketplace. So you look surprised, yes. My free trial has ended. I can't reach the website unless I delete my account. So this is the only thing you will see this whole video, and I will explain using my mouth, using only words. And I'm not good with typing either. So yes. The second way is to create and sell WordPress plugins. WordPress also allows you to create custom plugins that add additional functionality to your website. If you have coding skills, you can create your own custom WordPress plugins and sell them on marketplace such as Code Canyon. You can earn commission on every sale made through the marketplace. So the third way is offer WordPress maintenance service. Many website owners need help with maintaining their WordPress website. You can offer your services to website owners and provide services such as updating plugins and themes, backing up websites, and providing security updates. You can charge a fee for your services and earn revenue from your clients directly. So the fourth way is create and sell online course. WordPress is used by many people to create and sell online course. If you have expertise in a particular topic, so let's be specific, people are looking to learn e-commerce and trading and something to do with the future. So you can create your own online course using WordPress and sell it to others. You can use plugins such as LearnDash to create and sell your course. So the fifth way is offer WordPress consulting service. If you have an expertise in WordPress, you can offer your services as a consultant to website owners. You can provide service advice and guidance on how to optimize their website for better performance, SEO, and user experience. You can charge a fee for your services and earn revenue from your client. Next, and the sixth way is create and sell digital products. WordPress can also be used to sell digital products such as ebooks, audio files, and software. You can use a plugin like Easy Digital Download to set up your online store and start selling your digital products directly from your WordPress website. And the seventh way is affiliate marketing. Another way to make money with WordPress is through affiliate marketing. You can customize your product or services on a website using affiliate links and earn a commission on every sale made through your affiliate link. You can join affiliate program for products related to your website niche, such as web hosting, online course, and software. So the eighth way should be sponsor content. If you have a popular WordPress website or blog, you can earn money by featuring sponsored content or ads on your website. You can work with advertisers or ad network to display ads on your site or work directly with companies to create sponsored content that promote their productivity and services. The ninth and before the last, create and sell physical products. Turn your WordPress website into an online store and start selling your handmade or let's see imported merchandise that you created or imported from another place. Sell it on your website and start selling and start making money. You can use plugins like WooCommerce to set up your store and sell your product to customers. The last way is to offer freelance service. Finally, you can offer your freelance services related to WordPress, such as web development, design, or content creation. You can use your website to showcase your work and skills and attract clients who are looking for services. So even if you have no experience in this job or no experience with this website, you can still sell sell yourself. No, I don't mean it the bad way. I mean it the good way. If you know anything, you can teach them. You can make your WordPress language like a coaching. Like if you say you know another language, like I can speak Arabic, I can make it to learn easy Arabic. So you can use anything. You can craft airplanes. You can make an origami website to teach how to craft airplanes with paper. I mean paper plane, not airplane, sorry. So if you read books, you can just add a website for suggestion. If you have recipes, if you are a cooker, if you are anything, you can sell your what you have on your mind. You can sell your ideas. You can sell anything. This like we say, this generation can buy anything. Considering anything, like they can buy anything. You know what I mean? And I think we reached the final thing on our video. So in conclusion, WordPress offers many ways to make money online, from creating and selling digital or physical products to offering services related to WordPress. By leveraging the platform, many tools and plugins, you can build a successful online business and earn steady income. I won't say it's really steady, but depending on the trends and the time, you can make a real money. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.